YouTube channel! For today's vlog, pag-uusapan natin ang isang bagay na halos lahat tayo ay nakakaranas nito. So, ano nga ba ang ating pag-uusapan? Social media addiction. Kung hindi mo namamalayan ang iyong oras kakascroll sa social media, this vlog is for you. Let's start! Social media addiction means sobrang paggamit natin ng app like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. To the point na naapektuhan na yung ating daily life. Hindi masama kumamit ito, pero nagiging problema kung hindi natin makokontrol at nawawala tayo sa mga bagay na dapat natin gawin. Dear the Samsung, na-addicted ka na.
Tamang muni-muni lang. Na-open ang phone para i-check ang notification sa Facebook kahit wala naman itong iniintay. Hindi siya makapag-focus sa kanyang study dahil patingin-tingin siya sa kanyang cellphone.
Nakakaingit. Ang ganda naman nito. Siya meron. Ako wala. Ay, walang logo.
The effect of social media addiction under the mental health, anxiety, stress, and last, low self-esteem. Next effect of social media addiction, sleep problem. Under the sleep problem, they have insomnia. Next effect of social media addiction, social disconnection. Under the social disconnection, lack of socialization. Next effect of social media addiction is physical health. Under the physical health, they have headache o pananakit ng ulo dahil sa social media addiction. Next is eye strain or panlalabo at pananakit ng mata dahil sa addiction sa social media. Now, let's proceed in tips to reduce social media addiction. First thing to do is to set screen time limits. Next is follow the page that promote positive and mental health. The third is engage in offline activities. Next, prioritize real-life connection. Last, practice mindful scrolling.
So that's it for today's vlog about social media addiction. Sana makatulong ito para mas maging aware tayo sa paggamit natin ng social media. If you learn something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye guys! Thanks for watching!